There are 4 components inside of the test kit, which is the MP swab, sample dilution buffer, dropper cap, and rapid test device. Here's how to use it. Open the sample dilution buffer and prepare it. After opening the MP swab, take it out. Insert it all the way to the inside of the nasopharynx to collect a sample. Put the collected sample in the sample dilution buffer and stir 5 to 10 times. Replace with dropper cap. Then open the test device. Drop 3 drops of the extracted sample into the sample hole. Interpretation. It's positive if T and C have colored bands. If there is only a colored band in C, it's negative. It's invalid if there is no color band on the C line, regardless of the band on the T line. You need to retest.